Out for a walk. It's a beautiful day, and I love fall. There's something about fall that just, it's so pretty. Colors are amazing. This is what I do for relaxation. Just take a hike. I love it here. Look, this is my favorite spot to stop and take photos. Watch little birds flying around. Just take a minute to think. So pretty. I don't know what it is, but I've always been one to love nature. It's so pretty out here, pardon my hair, but this is where I am. Just taking a walk, soaking in all the sounds of nature. So many birds flying around. Yeah, the odd plane, but I absolutely love friend right there. Little squirrel jumping tree to tree. There go some birds. I'm going to take some photos, so I'm going to get off of here. Love and respect.